Okay, reflect after you watch this video. If you really want to move forward, may mga bagay muna tayong kailangan maintindihan. Alamin muna natin kung saan ba posibleng manggaling o ano yung mga factors na nagko-contribute ng mental health condition. So, isa-isahin natin. Una, predisposing factors or genetics. Ibig sabihin, if one of your parents or relatives has mental health conditions, may possibility na mas mataas ang risk mo. Pero, what's important is hindi automatic na magkakaroon ka rin. Genetics is just part. Usually, na-activate lang ito kapag may matinding stress or life challenges. Pangalawa, life circumstances like past trauma, unresolved experiences, or patong-patong na problems. Hindi lahat ng dumadaan sa trauma magkakaroon ng mental health condition. Pero these experiences can increase the risks and can trigger symptoms. Lalo na kung wala kang sapat na support or coping tools at that time. At pangatlo, lifestyle and support system. Minsan akala natin, unhealthy lifestyle ay tungkol lang sa vices like paninigarilyo, pag-inom, or drugs. Pero unhealthy lifestyle can also look like this. Hindi kumakain on time, work lang palagi, walang hobbies, konting galaw, or walang exercise, kulang sa tubig, kulang sa tulog, at walang sapat na emotional support from family or friends. These things may not be the main cause of serious mental health conditions, but they greatly affect our mental well-being and can make stress and symptoms harder to manage.